this was my 4th attempt at this examination, my 4th mains, but my very first interview. My optional is Pol Science, and I'm native to Balia in Eastern UP, but I've done most of my schooling and my living from Kolkata itself. The basic part of my strategy was relying more on basic books and wherever coaching material here and there as necessary. Apart from that, I focused a lot on giving mocks and revision, and I didn't make notes as such, but then I had made the idea of books and rereading and rereading books. And for my optional, I had to change my optional after my second attempt. So what I did was I made micro notes for my optional and then referred to it, and then as and when required, I took coaching for that. So I started off with chemistry as my optional, and it was a very disastrous start. For 2 years, I couldn't even manage to clear a target of 150 out of 500. So I had to change. It was a matter of compulsion. It wasn't a question of choice, but then it worked luckily. There are a couple of things that I would like to tell these future aspirants. The first would be keeping your sources very limited and focusing on revision. The second would be practicing whatever you're learning via mocks or answer writing or in whichever form. The third and the most important would be having full faith on yourself. It might take time. There are people who have cleared it in the first attempt. There are people who are like me who have taken a 4 or 5 year journey for this. So if there's something that's meant for you, it will come to you. I would actually be suggesting them to take help, as in there's nothing to shy away from taking help. And deteriorating mental health is an issue that is very common, and it's very much treatable. You need love, care and medication or counseling if necessary. Do go for it. Do not hesitate. Do not shy. There's nothing to be shy about. It's very sad that we have attached a stigma to it. And I thank you for raising this question, because I'm trying to discuss this issue of mental health among the aspirants, given that this examination is treated as a matter of life and death, and not just it would be better if it is treated as an examination, and that is what the aspirants should be actually doing. And talk to people you love, do activities that give you that adrenaline rush or give you the dopamine, and most importantly, love yourself, have faith on yourself. To do mainly was attend one-on-one sessions and attend mock interviews. I have given a lot of mock interviews and I've attended a lot of sessions. I had a very good session with Khan sir. And it wasn't a very long session, but it was very highly impactful. I was told to focus on the areas and the places where I need to answer and everything. Just be patient, have faith on yourself, and take good care of your health, your physical and your mental health.